guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make puff puff with shrimps. Oh yes, you heard me right, puff puff with shrimps. I know most of you will be very surprised. If ever I had a video. So these are the ingredients you're going to be needing. You need some frozen or fresh shrimps. I'm going to be adding just a tiny bit of soy sauce, and that is my puff puff mix already made. I'm going to leave a video on how to make your puff puff from scratch at the description. I have some black pepper, I have some salt, and I'm going to be using a few seasoning, which is seafood seasoning, just a pinch of each and every one of them. You can actually skip it, okay? You can also skip that soy sauce because it's going to, there is flavor in it, but the truth, I don't really like the soy sauce inside into this recipe, but you can give it a try if you are a soy sauce lover. So I'm adding some garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, and yeah, that is basically what I added there. Okay, a little bit of salt. I'm going to mix everything together. After mixing them, I'm going to marinate that shrimps with them. As you can see, my puff puff mixtures are ready. They are very ready. Okay, like I said, I'm going to link a video on how to make your puff puff at the description, so do check it out. Okay, so I'm just going to dip the shrimps into the sauce one after the other. You can actually add all of them at the same time. Okay, all right guys, my oil is there. It's almost ready, so time to test if the oil is ready. So for the I added a little bit of that of puff mixture to make sure that the oil is hot, because make sure that the oil is hot before adding your puff puff into the oil. You can use onion to taste it. Okay, so here is the puff puff mixture. So all you need to do is to throw one shrimp inside, and they try to coat the shrimps with the puff puff mixture before putting them into the oil. This if this is your first time of trying it, it can be tricky, but with patience you will get that done. Trust me, the job worth it, because my son, he's the one that finished almost all the puff puff. Trust me, the kids love it, and if you love shrimps, you're going to love it. It's a different way of enjoying your puff puff as well, and enjoying your shrimps as well. So I'm going to continue doing that, coating the shrimps with puff puff mixture. And lastly, I'm going to slice the remaining one, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a bit. Okay, slice them into pieces. This is also to help you, for those of you that don't want to work with full shrimps. You can actually slice the shrimps and mix them up with the puff puff mixture and just fry them. That is very easy to do. Like, that one is more simple than a whole shrimps. So now, as you can see, they formed. Look at that. They are awesome, guys. Honestly, when I was trying this recipe, I was laughing at myself, but I'm so happy that that I tried this recipe. It's a different way of enjoying your puff puff with different flavor, and also with shrimp inside, and not just the classic puff puff. So I'm going to fry them until they become brown, which is what you can see. As you can see here, they are brown, they are cooked enough. So I'm going to remove that from the heat and go ahead to, fry the rest of the puff puff. Then we'll continue. Okay, guys, our puff puffs are ready. Ready, ready. These ones are the ones I sliced the shrimps. So as you can see, the shrimps are inside those little ones. So this is the final result, guys. Don't ignore those black things. Those are caused by the seasoning I use for the shrimps. So, but what matters is the taste, how the flavor on this. Jesus, guys, you need to try it. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.